For those of us who do not have microwaves or ovens to reheat leftover mbuzi choma, this is the recipe. So after a function na kumebakia na mbuzi choma, do not leave it, carry it and try out this recipe. We have some tomato paste over here, my mbuzi choma that I've already removed from the bone and diced it. I have some salt, some cooking oil, some dania leaves, dania stems. This is a mint. I have my garlic and ginger, some onions. Then I have some tomatoes over here, some cloves, black pepper, but you can also use the black peppercorns if you have the grinder. I have some curry powder. Finally, I have some masala. And without further ado, let's get started. I want this to be a very easy recipe. Easy, fast and simple. So I'll start by adding in my cooking oil. Once my cooking oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. Once they start turning translucent, I'll go in with my ginger. Then I'll add in my salt. And so that we can bring everything together, I'll add in my tomato paste and I'll mix it with some hot water. And that will help to thicken the curry. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. This is juicy. This is succulent. Mmm. 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 Wow. Wow. This is an amazing recipe. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you're going to try out this. So next time, usiache mbuzi choma. Just carry it in your bag and try out this particular recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.